Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today, along with Dory's Dollies, we have done a collab to invite you to a challenge called Black on the Beach. This is our Dolls Gone Goth challenge that we do the 16th of each month, and I made my Transcendent. Can you see her little fangs? She is a vampire. I absolutely love. You know, this is another one of those smart dolls that I wasn't looking for. And if I got a vampire, I would have gotten her in cinnamon. However, at Puddle, someone was selling a tea and a cocoa, and we made an offer on both, and I love these dolls. I just love these dolls. So I made her a black swimming suit this morning. Oh, her hair's kind of hanging down, and as you can see, it's got that same fit to it. Well, this hair, oh well, just overlook the hair. There we go. Is her hair not beautiful? What a cool wig. Look at that, just full of body, and oh, I love it. I just love it. The title of today's Dolls Gone Goth is Black on the Beach. Well, it's raining outside. We do have a beach. Well, we have a pond that we use as a beach for dolls. So my girl's going to be black on a beach ball. Thank you so much, Dory, and everyone who participated. If you have a video today, would you please let me know in the comments so that I can go and see every single one. I also wanted to mention this necklace. I think it's absolutely perfect for her. That was made by Charlene Natural Girl. I don't know the numbers behind. I can't keep track of the numbers. That's why when I had Barbie and Cupid, mother-daughter, on my channel, I asked them to say their YouTube channel names because of the numbers. So anyway, Natural Girl with some numbers, and I can't thank her enough. It's an absolutely perfect necklace for my Transcendent. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and in those comments, if today you have a Dolls Gone Goth video, please let me know so that I do not miss it. And please go by and see Dory and anyone else that's having video called Black on the Beach, Dolls Gone Goth. Thank you for watching.